Hi, hello everyone. My name is Susan and I'm a makeup artist based in Toronto, and today I will be doing makeup for an event, and I will be using Echo Ember makeup products. So let's start. First of all, I'm gonna use Camera Ready Primer under foundations, and it's mattifying primer. So I'm applying on our whole face skin. And after, we can just apply straight ahead our foundation. I'm gonna use the foundation from Echo Ember. This is medium coverage foundation. And we're applying our foundation on our skin. So if you have any redness, it will cover. If you have like any imperfections. I'm gonna use a beauty blender from Echo Ember to blend everything. Next, I'm gonna use my favorite concealer from Echo Ember. So we are gonna use under eyes. And I'm also using Echo Ember beauty blender. We are blending all together. Next, I'm gonna use Eyebrow Gel just to fix our eyebrows. Our model has beautiful eyebrows, so all we need is just to fix it. Next, I'm gonna use a liquid blush from Echo Ember. It has beautiful peachy color. I like it to use for brides and bridesmaids. I can use the same brush. So we are adding on our cheekbone just to create freshness. Next, I will be using a highlighter in stick. And we are adding just a little bit above our cheekbone, just to create a highlight here. I also like adding highlighter a little bit above the brow, and also on the nose, between brows, just a little bit here, here. Next, I will be using a powder just to powder our face, because next I will be using powder textures like a bronzer, highlighter. So we just powder our face, but you need to avoid zones where is highlighter. So next, I will be using illuminizing powder. As for me, it looks like a bronzer and highlighter. So this is a unique product, and we are creating our bronzy skin. Just look perfect. I like it. And after that, I will be using a bronzer. Looks so beautiful. And next, I'm gonna use a Pro Cheek palette. So I like this palette because it has highlighter, blush, and contour. And I'm gonna use a little bit of powder blush. So it has so beautiful, like coral peachy color. And we're just like make it double. And also I like adding a little bit blush and contour just under the nose and on eyelid. So we can start working with our eyes, and I will use the Echo Ember eyeshadow palette. So it has so beautiful colors, and today we'll be using, I guess, this color to create our eyeshadow. To make like more dark eyes, I guess this color, and we can add one of the sparkles just to create a beautiful makeup for our photo shoot, for event. So I'm almost done working with this color. So as you can see, I'm making like a foxy eyes. So I want to open eyes and make them like more foxy. After that, I'm switching my brushes and I'm gonna add darker shade to our also outer corner, but closer to our eyelashes. Shade blending so good, so I don't need any effort to make eye makeup. And after that, I want to darken our eyelashes line, and I will be using the brown liner. Can you please close eyes? And I'm just adding between eyelashes this pen. And now I will be doing our eyelashes. So I have mascara from Echo Ember. This is black volumizing mascara. So now I'm gonna just fix our makeup and then we will be doing our lips. Can you please close eyes? So I want to keep our makeup not too much bright, so I'm gonna add just a little bit blush on our lips, and then I will be adding a lip gloss, because we don't wanna like too much makeup. And we are adding our liquid blush on our lips, so they have like this beautiful peachy color. And after that, I'm gonna use Echo Ember lip gloss. It has like pinkish color. Just a little bit, just to moisture our lips. That was a makeup tutorial with using Echo Ember makeup products. So here we go. I used 10 makeup products by Echo Ember, and here we go. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you. Bye bye.